We turn now to the table of numbers, the table of cubes. Okay. 9,261, 10,648, 12,167, 13,824. 9,261, 10,648, 9,261, 10,648, 9,261, 10,648. 21 cubed is 9,261. 22 cubed is 10,648. 21 cubed is 9,261. 22 cubed is 10,648. 12,167, 13,824. 12,167, 13,824. 12,167, 13,824. 12,167, 13,824. 12,167, 13,824. 23 cubed is 12,167. 23 cubed is 12,167. 23 cubed is 12,167. 24 cubed is 13,824. 24 cubed is 13,824. 24 cubed is 13,824. 9,261, 10,648. 12,167. 9,261, 10,648, 12,167. 9,261, 10,648, 12,167. 9,261, 10,648, 12,167. Okay. 13,824. 12,167. 13,824. 12,167. 13,824. Okay. 9,261. 10,648. 12,167. 13,824. 15,625. 9,261, 12,000. 9,261, 10,648, 12,167, 13,824, 15,625. And again, 9,261, 10,648, 12,167, 13,824, 15,625. And with hooks, 21 cubed is 9,261, 22 cubed is 10,648, 23 cubed is 12,167, 24 cubed is 13,824, 25 cubed is 15,625. Okay, and backwards. Okay. $15,625, 13,824, 12,167, 10,648, 9,261. And with hooks, 25 cubed is 15,625, 24 cubed is 12,000. Darn it. 25 cubed is 15,625, 24 cubed is 13,824, 23 cubed is 12,167, 22 cubed is 10,648, 21 cubed is 9,261. Okay. $17,576, $19,683, $17,576, $19,683, $17,576, $19,683, $17,576, $19,683. 21,952, 21,952, 21,952, 24,389, 24,389, 24,389, 15,625, 17,576, 15,625, 15,625, 17,576, 15,625, 17,576, 19,683, 21,952, 21,952, 21952, 21952, 21,952. Twenty-five cubed is 15,625. 26 cubed is 17,576. 27 cubed is 19,683. 28 cubed, 21,952. 28 cubed, 21,952. 29 cubed, 24,389. 29 cubed, 24,389. 29 cubed, 24,389. 27,000. Okay. And turn now to algebraic identities. Okay, so these are fine. X cubed take y cubed is x take y times x squared at xy at y squared. X cubed take y cubed is x take y times x squared at xy at y squared. X cubed take y cubed is x take y times x squared at xy at y squared. X cubed take y cubed is x take y times x squared at xy at y squared. A take b all cubed is a take b times a squared at ab at b squared. C take d all cubed is c take d times c squared at cd at d squared. Alpha take beta all cubed is alpha take beta times alpha squared add alpha, beta add beta squared. All right. That's enough recitations. And now computing. Okay, so we have 300 and there's 900 in total, but we want to feel and see if this is any good. All right. Evaluate 0.6 plus 2/5. The answer is 1. You say evaluate 0.6 plus 2/5, and we say 1. Evaluate 1 plus 2, take 3 times 4 divided by 5. So that's 3, take 2.4, which is 0.6. You say evaluate 1 plus 2, take 3 times 4 divided by 5, and we say 0.6. Evaluate 3,202, take 2,023. 3202, take 2023. All right. So it's 1202, then 1182, then 1179, 1179. So you say evaluate 3,202, take 2023, and we say 1,179. Evaluate 1, take 2 times 3, plus 4 divided by 5. Negative 4.2. You say evaluate 1, take 2 times 3, plus 4 divided by 5, and we say negative 4.2. Evaluate 2020 divided by 20, 101. You say evaluate 2020 divided by 20, and we say 101. Evaluate 6102, take 2016. So it's 4102, 4092, 4086. So you say evaluate 6102, take 2016, and we say 4086. If the square root of x is equal to 3. Find x. 81. You say the square root of the square root of x is 3 and ask us what x is, and we say 81. Evaluate 222 plus 22, all divided by 2. So that's 244 divided by 2, which is 122. So you ask us to evaluate 222 plus 22, all divided by 2, and we say 122. Evaluate 1, 2, 3, take 4, 5, 6 plus 7, 8, 9. We say 4, 5, 6. You ask us 1, 2, 3, take 4, 5, 6 plus 7, 8, 9, and we say 4, 5, 6. Evaluate 1 over 25 plus 0.25. 1 over 25 is 0.04, so the answer is 0.29. You ask us 1 over 25 plus 0.25, and we say 0.29. Okay, that's 10, and we check. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's good. All good. And the next set, please. Evaluate 203,515 divided by 2015. $203,515. Okay. 101. You ask us to evaluate 203515 divided by 2015, and we say 101. Evaluate 7 over 6 plus 5 over 4, take 3 over 2. Okay. The common denominator is 12. So that's 14 over 12. Uh-oh. Oh no. Here we go. Evaluate 7 over 6 plus 5 over 4, take 3 over 2. The common denominator is 12, so we say 14 over 12 plus 15 over 12, take 15 over 12. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. 14 over 12 plus 15 over 12, take 15 over 12. So it's 14 over 12, which is 7 over 6. Yes, but I really don't think that's right. Well, then you correct it. Well, then I will. It's actually subtract 18 over 12. You hear it? All right. 14 over 12 plus 15 over 12, take 18 over 12. All right, then it would be 11 over 12. 11 over 12. So you ask us 7 over 6 plus 5 over 4, take 3 over 2, and we say 11 over 12. Evaluate 2019 tenths. The answer is 201.9. You ask us for 2019 tenths, and we say 201.9. Evaluate 999 times 999 plus 999. We say 999,000. You ask us 999 times 999 plus 999, and we say 999,000. Evaluate 20 times 19 plus 20 plus 19. Well, 20 times 19 is 380, plus 20 is 400, plus 19 is 419. You ask us 20 times 19 plus 20 plus 19, and we say 419. Find half of 1.6 times 10 to the 6. We say 0.8 times 10 to the 6, which is 800,000. You say find half of 1.6 times 10 to the 6, and we say 800,000. Evaluate 20% of 3 3/4. Okay, oh, wait a minute, it's 3/4. It's 3/4. You ask us what is 20% of 3 3/4, and we say 3/4. Evaluate 4 to the 3 to the 2, all divided by 4 cubed, all squared. Rather, evaluate 4 to the 3 to the 2, all divided by the square of 4 cubed. Okay, so that would be 4 to the 9 divided by 4 to the 6, which is 4 to the 3, and we know that that's 64. So you ask us to evaluate 4 to the 3 to the 2, all divided by the square of 4 cubed, and we say 64. Find x if x take 1 over 10 equals x over 10. We multiply everything by 10. So 10x take 1 equals x. So 9x take 1 equals 0. So 9x equals 1. So x is 1/9. You ask us to find x if x take 1 over 10 is equal to x over 10, and we say 1 over 9. X is 1 over 9. Evaluate 201 times 7, take 7 times 102. Okay, that would be 7 times 99, which is 693. You ask us to do 201 times 7, take 7 times 102, and we say 693. Okay, now we can check. That's fine. That's all good. Everything is good. That's right. Brilliant. All correct. Now set 3. Okay. Find x if 64 to the x equals 512 to the 5. Okay, that's totally fine. Now, I can't help but notice that 64 and 512 are powers of 2. So 512 to the power of 5 will be 2 to the power of 45. And 64 is 2 to the 6. Therefore, it's 2 to the 6x equals 2 to the 45. Now, 6x is equal to 45, and therefore x is equal to 7.5. So you ask us to find x if 64 to the x is equal to 512 to the power of 5, and we say x is 7.5, 7.5 if you like. Evaluate 2 over 5 plus 2 over 50 plus 2 over 500. Okay, this is 222 over 500, which is 111 over 250. So you ask us, what is 2 over 5 plus 2 over 50 plus 2 over 500? And we say 111 over 250. Evaluate 2021, take 2,223 plus 2,425. Oh, okay. All right. Fine, I will do that. Just give me a second. All right, so you are 202, and then that has to be added on to the first number, which was 2021, so 2223. So you say evaluate 2021, take 2223 plus 2425, right? And we say 2223. Evaluate half of 4 to the power of 2022. Well, that's going to be 2 to the power of 4044. And then half of that will be 2 to the power of 4043. Which I cannot calculate. You ask us to evaluate half of 4 to the power of 2022, and we say to you it's 2 to the power of 4043. Evaluate 4 take 5, and 3 take that, and 2 take that, and 1 take that. 4 take 5 is -1, and 3 take that is 4, and 2 take that is -2, and 1 take that is 3. So you ask us to do this: 4 take 5, and 3 take that, and 2 take that, and 1 take that, and we say 3. How many centimeters are in 66.6 meters? 66,600. You ask how many centimeters are in 66.6 meters, and we say 66. No, we don't say that. We don't say that. You ask us how many centimeters are in 66.6 meters, and we say 6,660. Okay. Okay, so you ask us to do 5 take 6 take 7, and then do 3 take 4, and subtract the first from the last, and then subtract... How do I say this? Okay, the old-fashioned way. 2 minus open brackets 3 minus 4 close brackets minus open brackets 5 take 6 take 7 close brackets. Okay? Now, 5 take 6 take 7 is -8. -8. and 3 take 4 is minus 1. And minus 1 minus minus 8 is minus 1 plus 8, which is 7. And 2 minus 7 is minus 5. So you ask us to do the following. 2 minus open brackets 3 minus 4 close brackets minus open brackets 5 minus 6 minus 7 close brackets, and we say minus 5. Okay, so evaluate 4 take a quarter divided by 2 take a half. 4 take a quarter is 3 3/4, which is 15 over 4. And 2 take a half is 3 over 2. So 15 over 4 divided by 3 over 2 is 15 over 4 times 2 over 3. And what do we do then? Well, we swap denominators. All right. I'm sorry, I completely misheard you. What did you say? All right, I said do 4 take a quarter divided by 2 take a half. So that's 15 over 4 divided by 3 over 2. Well, that's the same as 15 over 4 divided by 6 over 4, which is 15 over 4 times 4 over 6, and therefore it's just 15 over 6, which is 2.5. 2.5. So you ask us to do 4 take a quarter and then divide all of that by 2 take a half, and we say it's 2.5, 2.5 or 2.5. How many hours is 6 minutes? 0.1. You ask how many hours is 6 minutes, and we say 0.1. Evaluate 20 plus 24 divided by 20 take 24. 20 plus 24 is 44. 20 take 24 is negative 4. And 44 over negative 4 is negative 11. You say evaluate 20 plus 24, all divided by 20 take 24, and we say negative 11. Okay. Yes, that's all good. Except for question 7. I don't know what happened there, but I have to investigate. Right, question 7, try that again. Oh, it's this one. Okay. 2 minus open brackets 3 minus 4 close brackets minus open brackets 5 minus 6 minus 7 close brackets. Okay. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 7 is minus 8. Okay. Oh, I know what went on. You didn't go from left to right. How foolish. Anyway, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So now we go from left to right. So 2 minus 1 is 3. And 3 minus minus 8 is 5. Is that right? Why is that happening? Oh, I see. I see now. It's 11. Okay, but, you know, we have to be honest. If you make a mistake, you make a mistake. You just have to understand the mistake. Okay. All right. More water break. Let's keep going. Okay. Evaluate half of 10% of 20. 10% of 20 is 2, and half of that is 1. You ask us to evaluate half of 10% of 20, and we say 1. All right, beg your pardon, I forgot. Yeah. Okay. Evaluate 8 divided by 10, and 6 divided by that, and 4 divided by that, and 2 divided by that. 8 divided by 10 is 4/5. And 6 divided by 4/5 is 6 times 4/5. Beg your pardon. That's just a total mistake. 8 divided by 10 is 4/5, and 6 divided by 4/5 is 6 times 5/4, which is 30/4. Which is 7 and, or rather 15/2. 15/2, let's just say that. 4 divided by 15/2 is the same as 4 times 2/15, which is 8/15. And 2 divided by 8/15 is the same as 2 times 15 over 8, which is 15 over 4, which is 3.75. Oh wait, how rude of me. You ask us to evaluate 8 divided by 10 and 6 divided by that and 4 divided by that and 2 divided by that. And we say 3.75 or 3 3/4, so 15 over 4. Okay. Evaluate 1 minus 0.2 plus 0.03 minus 0.004. 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8 plus 0.03 is 0.83 and minus 0.004 is 0.826. So you ask us to evaluate 1 minus 0.2 plus 0.03 minus 0.004, and we say 0.826. How many squares end in 7? The answer, if you mean perfect squares, is absolutely none. We need only consider the units of the first 10 squares, because the units will then repeat in a cycle ad infinitum as the units place of any square is determined by the multiplication of the units of its square root, is it not? And those repeat. Anyway, the pattern goes 1 4 9 6 5 6 9 4 1 0. And we did not hear 7, so the answer is none. You ask us how many squares end in 7, and we say none. Evaluate 34 1/7 divided by 17 1/14. Now, we recognize that 1/7 is the same as 2/14. And because it's 34 2/14 being divided by 17 1/14, we know that the answer is simply 2. So you ask us 34 1/7 divided by 17 1/14, and we say 2. Hello. Find star again. Find star if 2 times 18 times 14 equals 6 times star times 7. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to divide 18 by 6 to get 3 and 14 by 7 to get 2. Then the left hand side becomes 2 times 3 times 2. And that is what star will be. So star is 12. So you ask us to find star if we're told that 2 times 18 times 14 equals 6 times star times 7. We say that star is 12. What is 21 less than 60,000? The answer is 59,979. You ask us what is 21 less than 60,000, and we say 59,979. Calculate 5 take 6, and 3 take 4 take that, and 2 take that, and 1 take that. Well, 5 take 6 is -1, and 3 take 4 take that is 3 take 4 plus 1. Which is 0. And 2 take that is 2. And 1 take that is -1. So you ask us to calculate 5 take 6, then 3 take 4 take that, then 2 take that, then 1 take that, and we say -1. Okay. Hello. Evaluate 20 times 21 all over 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, on the denominator we have 5, and 20 divided by 5 is just 4, so it's 4 times 21, which is 84. You ask us to evaluate 20 times 21, all divided by 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, and we say 84. Evaluate 20 times 24, all divided by 2 times 0 plus 2 times 4. The denominator is just 8. And 24 can be divided by 8 and become 3. And so now do 20 times 3 and we get 60. So you ask us, what is 20 times 24 all divided by 2 times 0 plus 2 times 4, and we say 60. Okay. Okay, all of that set was correct, which is great. All right. Evaluate 2 times 0.24, all divided by 20 times 2.4. Yeah. Evaluate 2 times 0.24, all divided by 20 times 0.24. Okay, so 2 times 0.24 is 0.48. 0.48, and 20 times 2.4 is 48. So we have 0.48 over 48, which is 100. So you ask us to evaluate 2 times 0.24, all divided by 20 times 2.4, and we say 100. You ask us to evaluate the square root of 2025 squared, take 2024, take 2025. Alright, so that's just going to be 2024. And the reason why is because when you take away 2025 from the square of 2025, it becomes 2024 times 2025. And then if you take away 2024, you get 2024 times 2024. So you ask us to evaluate the entire square root of 2025 squared, take 2024, take 2025, and we say 2024. Evaluate 4 take 3 take 2 take 1 all over 8 take 7 take 6 take 5. Right, so we're going to make sure that we proceed from left to right this time. So we're very confident that on the top you have -2. And on the denominator and on the top, rather on the bottom, you have -10. Yeah. Anyway, -2 over -10 is 1 over 5. Or 0.2 if you prefer. So you ask us to evaluate 4 take 3 take 2 take 1, all divided by 8 take 7 take 6 take 5, and we say 1/5 or 0.2. Okay. Okay, calculate 5 divided by 5, then divide that by itself, then divide that which you now have by 5, and finally divide 5 by what you now have. 5 divided by 5 is of course 1, and 1 divided by itself is also 1. And 1 divided by 5 is 1/5, and 5 divided by 1/5 is 25. So you ask us to first calculate 5 divided by 5, then divide that result by itself, then divide what you currently have by 5, and then divide 5 by what you currently have from that. And we say 25. Okay, so next up, I want you to evaluate 0.1 recurring plus 0.2 recurring plus 0.3 recurring plus 0.4 recurring. All of these can be expressed like so. 1/9 plus 2/9 plus 3/9 plus 4/9. And thus, we get 10/9, 10/9, which, if you want it decimalized, is 1.1 recurring. Oh, wait. You asked us, what is 0.1 recurring plus 0.2 recurring plus 0.3 recurring plus 0.4 recurring? And we say 10/9 or 1.1 recurring. Evaluate 3 to the 6, take 3 to the 4, all divided by 2 to the 9, take 2 to the 3. All right. All right, so let's see now. Three to the 6, take 3 to the 4. Factor out 3 to the 4, and then in the brackets we get 3 squared, take 1, and that would just be 8. So it's 3 to the, so it's 2 cubed times 3 to the 4, which is interesting. Now, on the denominator, we have 2 to the 9, take 2 to the 6. So we factor out 2 to the 6. And in the brackets, we get 2 cubed, take 1. Let's see. Was that right? Yeah, that's fine. 3 to the 6, take 3 to the 4, all divided by 2 to the 9, take 2 to the 3. Okay. All right. So if we and we could proceed by brute force, but that's not really going to help us. I mean, what would you have on the denominator anyway? 512 take away 8, which is 504. And what do you know about 504? Well, it's 504. That happens to be 63 times 8, which is 2 cubed times 3 squared times 7. All right. And on the numerator, we can certainly divide everything through by 3 squared. At the bare minimum, we can do that. And then we get 3 to the 4 take 3 to the 2. Well, that's actually useful, because 3 to the 4 take 3 to the 2 is surely 72. So we have 72 being divided by 7 times 8. Yes, you do. And the 8 on the top and the bottom can be cancelled out, you know. So now we have 9 divided by 7. Do you see it? Yes, I see it. So you asked us, what is 3 to the 6 take 3 to the 4? All divided by 2 to the 9 take 2 cubed, and we ended up saying 9 over 7. How many weeks is 2016 hours? Okay, 2016 hours. Well, alright. I know that there's 168 hours in 1 week. But you know, what is the right way to actually think about this? The right way to think about this. We can divide both of them by 2, so it just becomes easier to work with. So we're going to do 1008 divided by 84. And we know what to do there. The answer is simply 12. So you asked us how many weeks are in 2016 hours, and we say 12 weeks. Okay, next, alright, so that's a lot of minus signs and a lot of brackets, so I don't think I can actually articulate this usefully. So I will make an exception for this one. And I will say that in the last bracket I have minus 4. And then minus 2 minus minus 4 is minus 2 plus 4, which is 2. So I have 2 at the very end. I have minus 4 in the middle. And now I have to go left to right. So 2 minus minus 4 is 6. And 6 minus 2 is 4. We have to make an exception for that one expression because it's just ridiculously nested. Okay, so if 2021 is 43 times 47, evaluate 53 times 57. Now, I think it's 3021. So you say to me 2021 is 43 times 47, and then you ask me what is 53 times 57, and I say 3021. And lastly, evaluate 0.015% of, I cannot see it. Evaluates 0.015% of 60 million. Well, 1% is 600,000. 0.1% is 60,000. 0.01% is 6,000. So 0.015% is 9,000. 9,000. And now we've reached the end, but we just have to check. Everything has to be checked. Okay, so the first one is wrong, so that has to be corrected. Then we got that right. Right. All good. And that's good. So only question 1 is wrong. So correct it. Oh, I see the error. Yep. Okay. Okay. All right. Arrivederci. Bye-bye.